Welcome back, children, to the new lesson called the Internet, which is there on page number 44. Now, before we start today, children, today we will know about Internet. But first of all, let us understand the term what is network. A network is a system where various components are connected with each other in some way. Here we have a network of blood vessels and networks of roads. In our body also there is a network of blood vessels. The arteries carry blood away from heart while veins carry it back to the heart. All of them are connected to each other and form a network that help in blood circulation. So here you can see the blood vessels are connected to each other and they form a network of blood vessel. Same way we have a network of road, means one road is connected to another road and another road is connected to again another road. So all of them are connected to each other and they form a network of roads. In the same way, similarly, when millions of computers are connected to each other, they form a network. So now let's see what is a internet. Now, internet is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers worldwide. When two or more computers are connected over the internet, they can exchange all kinds of information such as text, graphics, voice, and video. So we can collect information on any topic of interest within seconds with the help of internet. Now let's see what are the uses of internet. So nowadays we are using internet for the online classes. Now internet is very useful in every field, like in news and information. Internet provide the facility that we can read the newspaper online and get the information about any of the topic of our interest, or we can watch online news also with the help of internet. Next we have is art and entertainment. Now using the internet, one can watch movies, listen to songs, play games, puzzles, read jokes and stories, book online. So we can do anything with the help of internet. Even we can download and purchase various types of software with the help of internet. Internet is also using for online shopping. Nowadays we are not going out due to this corona pandemic, so we can do the shopping with a various website like Flipkart, Mantra, Snapdeal. So without going there, actually we can buy any of the stuff. So internet is used there. Next use is mailing a letters. So with the help of internet we can give email to another persons, we can send and receive messages, so we can also attach pictures, videos and sound to the email, and we can do chatting with the help of internet too. Now you are doing the WhatsApp chatting, so with the others apps also you can do exchange the text messages with the other person on the internet. So internet has many uses. Health and fitness. So we have here various fitness apps are there which help us to for our health benefits, fitness information. We can search any of the remedies and take different precautions with the help of internet. Tourism and travel. Internet provide a facility for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets all over the world and around the clock. So we can buy tickets with the help of internet. Banking operation. In bank also internet is very much useful. So without going to bank, we can do all kinds of banking operations sitting at home with the help of laptop or computers. With the help of internet we can do all the operations without visiting the bank. So internet is very much useful. video conferencing. Video conferencing means like in the offices where people are globally or with the location they are geographically apart, so we can talk to another person verbally and visually with the help of video conferencing, and we can communicate with the web camera and microphone and all, so we can communicate and discuss any of the thing which is happening in offices. Now let's see some basic terms of internet. First is the web page. Now let's see what is a web page. It is a digital page, text and images which contain information about the website. So like it is a single page, like we have, or we can call it a digital page. Like we have a notebook having a different pages, single pages are there. Same way that single page is called a web page, and that notebook is called the website. So what is a website, children? Now website is the collection of web pages linked to one another. It contains text, video clips, images, sounds, etc. So I told you, like suppose if we have a computer notebook, so computer notebook will be same as website, and the pages which is there on the computer notebook will refer as web pages. So same way that when the collection happens, that is called website, and the single page, that is called a web page. Next we have a home page. The main page of any website which links to other page is called the home page. The very first page of any website you can take, that is called the home page.